Meeple Knights. We're going to be playing Potion Explosion. This game, you're going to be pulling marbles, trying to get other marbles to hit. And so you get all the marbles that hit, and so you can make your potion. Each potion has a special effect that you can use to better your next turn. And then whoever has the most points at the end of the game wins. We'll try to explain this game the best way we can as we go. There's different potions, and we're just going to go random. Actually, we're going to make sure we don't use the fifth ingredient ones. We're not going to go random. But it's going to be random enough. Alright. So let's go to the game. So it's going to be my turn first. I need to get one red, one black, two yellow, one, and this one. I need one red, one blue, and two black for this one. So if I pull this black one right here, I would get one black and two yellow, which would be okay, I guess. So let's go ahead and do that one. So then I'm going to drag the one over there, the two yellows, and then if I'm going to use my professor help, I can pull one random one, and I will just pull this random red one, and I will finish this potion off. And that will be my turn. And then I like to grab the highest point ones. Now it goes Amber's turn.
They can't see mine, so it doesn't pay for me to explain.
They can see yours.
How can they see mine?
When I click your name.
Okay. So, I'm trying to get reds and blues mostly, so I'm going to use Professor's help first and take out this black one. When I do the chain reaction, I'll get all the yellows and all these blues, which doesn't really help because I still need red. However, it fills up my side, so I can use those later, unless Doug happens to steal them.
So she's got a black, blue, and a yellow on this side. And I have this potion that I'm going to use. It's going to let me take somebody's potions, and I'm going to take all three of hers. I'm going to use those right away. Okay, what's I need? I need a lot of black and two blues and a red. So this will give me 4 black and a red. We'll finish that one off. I guess I'll take it and see what happens. So immediately I want to finish this one off. I can hit this button right here and it will send all the 3s over there. Then I can use this potion, which will let me grab more than 2 that are adjacent to each other, and I need 2 blues, so I have 2 blues here. I'll grab the 2 blues there, and then I need a black as well, so I'm going to take that out, and I'm just going to grab a random black, and I'll grab this one. I'll hit this button, and that will be filled as well, and that turn is now over. And I'll take this one because it's worth 11 points, and then I gotta grab another one, and I'll just grab this one because it's worth 10. And then we'll go on to Amber's turn, which she needs 4 red. And she pretty much got 4 red right there.
Yep, sure did.
And then she gets to pick 2 more potions.
And I go for a different set way. I try and get my sets before I go for points. So.
And if you're curious on this app, what's really nice about it, you can come down here on the books and it'll tell you all the potions that are out. Alright, so my turn, I'm just going to go ahead and use this potion, and it's going to let me grab the bottom row, one of each color. There's not a yellow down there, so I can grab blue and black. And I don't know which one I want. I'm gonna go with this one. I want to put those in there just kind of see where I'm at. So I need a lot of yellow and a lot of blue. So that's what I'm gonna be looking towards. This gets me 2 black. This will get me 1 yellow, 2 blue, 2 black, and kind of screwed from there. That might be my best bet. Just take. Really should go for 3 blue and a red, but I don't see that anywhere. That's so I think it kind of sucks about this game, trying to figure out the best pull. So I don't think I have it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put those in there. If I use my potion, my my -2 points for Professor Help doesn't really give me a finished thing or a finished potion. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that and make that my turn, and we'll go over to Amber's turn. So she needs a lot of red and yellow, which she's already got 2 and 1.
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna use this potion to get the bottom row.
Nope, she's pulling the bottom row out.
Then I'm gonna use Professor's Help and take this out.
Got a lot of black that you didn't need.
I got a wild.
Oh, true, that is. It's good. So she's got a wild right there that she can use. You can take any of these and place them where you want.
Boom, beating you.
Points are up in the corner, so she's beating me by 5 points. Guess I cannot see the potions that are cards that you can pull from.
Well, you know what I'm taking. I make sets.
Yeah. So you just need 2 wilds.
Yeah, but there wasn't 2 wilds.
Alright, so it's my turn. I need a lot of yellow and some red. Yellow red's my goal. This is giving me my 2 yellow, or my 2 red. Doesn't really give me everything else though. I can pull this potion. I can pull Professor's Help right here. And that will not help me. I guess I'm just gonna wing it with this and hopefully get something good. Which I did. And then come down here. This potion lets me pull 2 different ones, so I'm gonna pull a red and a blue. Right here's a red and a blue. And that one's finished off.
Oh boy, beating me.
Beating you. Alright, so next ones are worth 8 points. I'm going to take that one. And then 7, so I'm going to take that one as well. Then we go off to Amber's turn.
What to do? What to do? Let's use this first. And pull the bottom row.
So she's going to get everything but the black. Well, she can't get a black, but she gets everything else. Which is fine because she has a lot of black. And she's got 1 more of those potions as well. She's going to steal my yellow?
No, not.
Oh.
You only have 1 yellow.
Right. And it's not worth it.
It ain't worth it.
Right.
Not worth it. So I need blacks, blue, and a red. Let's take the bottom row again.
Which you get 1 of everything, which is pretty good. And shinies went black. Not bad. Nice little pull there.
That you couldn't have it.
Alright, she's going to pick her new potions. Alright. So I need a lot of blue and a lot of red still.
Man, I can't get any two are the same. This sucks.
Supply.
Sucks.
Alright, so I'm gonna use. I pulled this one, the 2 reds hit, and the black comes down and hits that one. So I'm gonna take that one out and then remove that black. Alright, put that black there. If I hit this one, the 2 blues will hit. Then I have a red and a blue. Guess we're just. We're gonna have to take out this red up here, right? Take out this red. Okay.
That was
No. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. I'm not gonna get what I need. I'm not gonna get anyone finished. So I'm just gonna hit that. Kinda sucks. But it is what it is. So we move on to Amber's turn.
And you don't have anything to steal, right? No. So I'm
Nope.
gonna waste that. I'm gonna go for these black ones.
Just get that horror right there.
And I'm gonna change all of those. Finish off this one. Then sure, I'll just use this one and get a yellow and something else. Only one badge left. When the badges are left, we get one more turn, and then the
Yes.
game is over.
The badges were right here.
Over there.
Alright, so I need a yellow and a blue there. I'll use this one to grab a red and something else. That goes there. And that's gonna be my turn. I'm going to grab this one for 4 points. And I guess this one for another 4-pointer.
I'm gonna risk my professor's help. Pull this black one, which did not do what I wanted it to do.
Hey, Miss Melissa, how you been? Yes, we have been playing this one. We have finally finished the Ticket to Rides. Amber won this series. Oh, she's gonna take my yellow and the black. What she needs.
Not gonna get 4 red, that sucks. We won't be able to finish anything off. Well, I still have my pull left too.
Texture pack. Um. Yeah, I didn't know how to reply back to that yet. Because I need to make a phone call tomorrow to answer that question.
And this sucks. Alright, we'll just do this one.
Oh, I missed it, but okay.
Oh, it was the blues and the yellow to finish off that other potion. You weren't looking. And I already stole from you, so that's not gonna help. Where's all the red ones at?
I don't know. You might have just set me up.
Fine.
Alright, so I'm going to pull this one. It's going to give me my 2 blues, and then I'm going to get yellows, which I don't need. But pull that one, hits that, and it's
I
a
didn't
1
even go in that row. How would I set you up? I went on the far row.
Okay.
So that's not setting you up.
And then I'm going to take this one. I need a red and a blue. Take this one, a red and blue right here. And then I'll get another 8 points for the 4 for finish that one, and another bonus one. Just gonna use these potions real quick, because I can't do anything else. I'm gonna go to Amber's turn. We have played this board game for this challenge. We just played it maybe a month ago, and we did talk about it in the podcast. So Amber took my blacks.
Need a whole lot of red. There's not a whole lot of red.
There's a whole lot of red on the map, on the board.
Yeah, they're scattered though. I can't finish.
Alright, so it's the end of the game. So I get the -6 points for the 3 that I used. She got -6 points, so we're tied there. I just beat her in tokens by 1. And then I got a higher points there, so it's pretty much how I won the game right there. Everything else is pretty close, except for the points of the potions. So that is Potion Explosion. I hope you guys enjoyed the app. Make sure you guys check it out on YouTube when we upload it there if you can. If you are on YouTube right now, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, listen to our podcasts. We're always uploading a digital play on Tuesday. We will go over a different game since we're done with Ticket to Ride. We'll explore a little bit more with different digital games. Anything you want to add, Amber?
Not really, no.
Alright, well, thanks for watching us. Bye. We're Meeple Knights.
Bye.